back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a logo on your Weebly website. So let's get started. First, you will open up weebly.com and log into your account. Select the website you want to work on. This is our Weebly builder where I am creating a website and I want to add a logo. So the logo will be added right here in our header. Go to the build section of your Weebly editor. Then you will just move your cursor right here to your text that you have. And you can see it says off text and logo. So you have to select the logo option from here. And then it will allow you to upload a photo from your computer, or you can get an image with a URL. So I'm going to upload my logo. So it will upload the image. And you can see this is the image that I uploaded. It's like a simple blank color I went for. Now we can edit our logo, of course, to customize the size. It's pretty big right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit and we're going to crop our logo. Click on crop. You can see the size is big. So I'm just going to make it smaller and place it right here in the middle. Okay, this is the size I want to go for, like a smaller logo. It depends on you what size you want. So once you have added it, click on save and the changes will be done. You can see this is how you add a logo on your Weebly website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.